Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we tour the most beautiful luxury homes across the United States. Today, we're taking you inside a gorgeous custom model home near Boone, North Carolina, surrounded by stunning mountain scenery and designed for modern luxury living. This spectacular home offers 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 4,212 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. From the moment you arrive, this property makes a powerful first impression. As we approach the home, notice the grand exterior design, blending modern architecture with natural elements that perfectly complement the mountain setting. The clean lines, expansive windows, and elegant color accents give this home a bold yet welcoming presence. The landscaping is professionally designed, creating beautiful curb appeal and a peaceful atmosphere. Let's step inside through the main entrance, where you're greeted by soaring ceilings and an open, airy layout. Natural light floods the space, instantly highlighting the premium finishes and attention to detail throughout the home. This entry sets the tone for the luxury you'll see in every room. Just off the main area is a dedicated prayer room, designed as a calm and peaceful retreat. With soft lighting, minimal decor, and a soothing color palette, this space offers a quiet escape for reflection and mindfulness, something truly special in a modern custom home. Moving forward, we enter the main living room, a spacious and inviting area perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Large windows frame beautiful outdoor views, while the open layout keeps the space connected to the rest of the home. The modern seating arrangement, elegant finishes, and subtle pink and blue accent tones give this room a warm yet stylish feel. Next, we step into the TV lounge, designed for comfort and entertainment. This space features a large wall-mounted television, ambient lighting, and cozy seating, making it ideal for movie nights or watching the big game with family and friends. Now let's head into the kitchen, a true centerpiece of the home. This luxury kitchen features a large island with premium countertops, custom cabinetry, and high-end appliances. Whether you love cooking or entertaining, this kitchen offers both functionality and style. The open design keeps you connected to the living and dining areas, making it perfect for gatherings. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, where a beautifully designed dining table sits beneath an elegant chandelier. This space is ideal for formal dinners or casual family meals, with plenty of natural light and a refined atmosphere that elevates every dining experience. As we move through the home, you'll notice how seamlessly each space flows into the next, creating a sense of openness while still offering defined areas for daily living. Let's take a look at the bedrooms, starting with the luxurious master suite. The master bedroom is spacious, serene, and designed as a private retreat. Soft color tones, large windows, and elegant finishes create a relaxing environment. The attached master bathroom feels like a high-end spa, featuring a modern soaking tub, glass-enclosed shower, and premium fixtures. The additional bedrooms are equally impressive, each offering ample space, natural light, and access to beautifully designed bathrooms. These rooms are perfect for family members or guests, providing comfort and privacy throughout. This home also includes a fully equipped gym room, allowing you to stay active without ever leaving the house. With modern equipment, mirrored walls, and stylish lighting, this space feels like a private fitness studio. One of the standout features is the swing area, designed for relaxation and enjoyment. Whether used indoors or outdoors, it adds a unique and playful touch to the home while offering a perfect spot to unwind. Finally, let's check out the garage, which is spacious, clean, and designed to accommodate luxury vehicles while maintaining the same high-end aesthetic found throughout the home. This custom model home near Boone, North Carolina, perfectly blends luxury, comfort, and modern design. Every detail has been thoughtfully planned, making this property an incredible example of today's high-end custom homes. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing home tours right here on American Dream Mansions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next dream home.